how to use Uber Eats gift card. So if you want to basically use Uber Eats gift card, it's very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Uber Eats application, and this is the kind of interface that you will see. Now what you have to do is tap on the account icon from the bottom right of the screen, then simply go to the option that says wallet, and once you go to wallet, right over here under payment method you can see add payment method. So you want to simply tap on add payment method there, and you want to simply find an option that says gift card. So you can just tap the gift card option and just make sure to enter your gift card code, and as simple as ABCD. After you enter that, tap on the save option. The gift card will be saved, and next time whenever you're ordering something, depending upon the value of the gift card, you will get respective discounts. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and as always, see you soon in the next video.